father's.
Da quello pour 2 heures, maintenant.
Gotcha. $1 million.
If and when the time comes and we get a place settled where I'd love to take all of our pictures we've taken and just black and whites and whatever, and just
Develop them.
let it be our, our gallery.
Right?
Yeah, this is pretty freaking cool right here.
Yeah.
If and when the time comes and we get a place settled where I'd love to take all of our pictures we've taken and just black and whites and whatever, and just
Develop them.
let it be our, our gallery.
Right?
Yeah, this is pretty freaking cool right here.
Yeah. I know.
Is this like the entrance to the city?
Probably. Back in the room. Today we went to a shit ton of places. We went to all these locations, the ones that are check marked. We went to the Rialto Market, fresh fish, veggies. It was awesome. We even saw crab singing and live escargot. Tia was freaking out. It's funny. We saw a huge ass monkfish. We went to Alarco where Stanley Tucci ate, and that was Alarco at South Polo 436 in Venice, Italy. And we had a Cicchetti and Vino Blanco. Actually, we had red wine.
Whole bottle.
No, that was at Alarco.
Oh.
And we went to the Piazza San Marco, and we went to Cafe. I don't remember the name. I'll have to get back to you on that. But remember the name of the cafe we went to that we had the dessert?
Fiora.
Cafe Fio, something with an F.
I wrote it down.
It's been there since 15 something. Then we went to Trattatoria Bine de Arturo. This guy was awesome.
Florian.
The cafe is Cafe Florian in the Piazza San Marco. It's been there since forever. Beautiful place. We saw it on a show called Amazing Destinations to Go To. Fred, one of the guys, his name is Fred, went there. The Trattatoria Bene de Arturo, Somebody Feed Phil has been there, but Tom Hanks has been there. Leonardo DiCaprio has been there. Barbara Streisand, George Clooney, J-Lo, Leonardo DiCaprio, Tom Cruise. I mean, Barbara Streisand. It was an amazing environment. Little shop. The previous owner, still hangs out there. We did the Rialto Bridge. We did a lot of walking. We're scheduled to do a gondola.
We're literally 50
Monday.
feet from the gondola. I think it's that back.
Oh, nice. Monday we do a gondola. My allergies been kicking my ass. We drank a whole bottle of Chianti, then we took a nap. So that was nice. We got up about 7. And then balls to the wall till about 3 or 4. Then we went grocery shopping before we came home. Because tomorrow we plan to just work on the computer, the book, pictures, rest up, and everything closes on Sundays for the most part. We might try to catch, it's like a rowing competition here in Venice, so we'll see. Aside from that, it was a beautiful day, a lot of walking, and yeah, so God willing, tomorrow's a new day.